Hi, my name is Dill Sliding, and I'm here to teach you a thing about science. Here's our sliding filament theory model. This is the motor neuron. These guys are calcium. This is the sacroplasmic reticulum. This is ATP. This is actin. This is the myosin binding receptor sites. This is the myosin head. This is myosin. This is tropomyosin. And this is troponin.
Muscle contractions begin with an action potential in the motor neuron. When a motor neuron and a muscle fiber contract, it creates a chemical synapse, which is referred to as neuromuscular junction. In a relaxed muscle, the tropomyosin blocks the myosin binding receptor sites located on the actin until the calcium ions are released from the sacroplasmic reticulum because of the impulse from the action potential. The calcium binds to the troponin, which is on top of the tropomyosin, and causes the troponin to change its shape to free the myosin binding receptor sites. Once the sites are clear, the myosin heads attach to the myosin binding receptor sites on the actin and release ADP and a phosphate. The release of ADP and a phosphate cause the myosin to change shape to a relaxed state, which pulls the sarcomere back to the center. ATP then comes along to release the myosin head from the actin. Once the ATP breaks down to ADP and a phosphate, it goes to the myosin head and causes the myosin head to be ready to attach to the actin again. Without calcium and ATP, this process would not be able to reoccur.
Rigor mortis happens after death, and it is the stiffening of the joints and muscles through the body. They usually begin to stiffen 4 hours after the death. The process of muscle contraction still occurs after death, but at the 4-hour mark, depending on the body, there is less ATP available because the body isn't producing ATP any longer. Then, normal muscle contraction will occur, but instead of ATP coming along and attach the myosin head from the actin, it stays attached because there is no ATP to release it from the actin. Since there is no ATP to detach the myosin head, the muscle is unable to react, causing rigor mortis.
Myosin is the thick boy. Actin is the thin boy. When a muscle contracts, they don't change state, they simply slide past each other. And when the muscle relaxes, they simply slide back. My name is Dr. Dill. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Hi, my name is Dylan Tolmer, and I'm here to teach you a thing about science. Here's our sliding filament theory model. This is... Hi, my name is Dylan Tolmer.